we will be testing the vision model LocateAnything by NVIDIA. You can give it an image, and it will give us precise bounding boxes of single of multiple objects in any information-dense scene. You can install the related libraries using the pip install command from official page, but mainly you need correct version of Transformers Library 4.57. You can use their official script which doesn't quantize the model, but we will make few changes like the max new tokens limit will be reduced to 256 to keep it in memory. We will be testing single and multiple object detection and finding their precise bounding boxes and also detecting UI-related elements like button. After we get the precise bounding boxes, we will parse those coordinates in actual image and draw bounding boxes. For example, we can use the model like this. If you have FlashAttention installed for the Transformer library and you only want to quantize the model to take less VRAM, then use this script. If you get the error lmdb is not installed, then just pip install it. If you get this error with check and adjust attention implementation function in the moddingq1 file, then it means your Transformers library is not compatible and you need to downgrade it to 4.57. If you get the error FlashAttention is not implemented, then go to this moddingq1 file and force the SDPA attention by commenting the if block. And if you receive the message CUDA Out of Memory, then you need to reduce the image resolution and maximum token usage. You can do that by making these changes from my script, which you can get by joining the membership. After these changes, you should be good to go and models should load, which is only taking 3.5 GB RAM. First, we will test the model to find screwdriver in this dense image which all the other models failed to parse. Okay, it was correctly able to find the screwdriver in just 2.5 seconds with 7.5 tokens per second. Next, we asked it to find the pumpkin, and it was able to find it in just 1.5 seconds. Next, let's ask it to find all the sticky notes in the image. This one is hidden. It was able to find one, and it only took 2.6 seconds. Next, let's just ask to point to the center of glasses. No need for bounding box. It was able to find the glasses in just 1 second, so I am guessing pointing is much faster than bounding boxes. Next, let's ask it for something ambiguous. By using the prompt, find all accountant text, which even I could hardly read. It was able to find all the text in the image and just took 1 second, so it is very good for text bounding boxes. Next, we will test the website screenshot and ask it to find the deploy button. You can also try to find it and see how long it takes. Okay, it was correctly able to make the precise bounding box for the deploy button in just 0.9 seconds. Next, let us ask it to point to the dismiss message. And again, it was able to correctly point to the message and only took around 1.3 seconds. Overall, I am very happy with this model, and it is the perfect model for computer use tool for any LLM. You can get the complete testing script by joining the membership. Next, you can watch this video.